Hello everybody, we're going to do a start video of my 1987 International Thomas school bus. It is a IDI 7.3 liter diesel V8 with a Allison AT545 automatic transmission, air brakes, and it's a 71 passenger bus. One thing to note right now is my glow plugs are out, so it's going to be a pain in the ass. And they are also manually controlled. So let's get her done. We're also low on air brake pressure right now. And this switch right here is my glow plug, so we'll light them up. Glow plug light on. Let it go for a couple of seconds here. Alright, that ought to be good. For you pedal pumping fans. Come on! By the way, this is a cold start. Alright, let's do this again. 3, 4. That ought to be good. Done! Almost! Oh yeah, come on! There we go. Pull that throttle lock out just a little bit to hold her. Also, you might note that my tachometer is not accurate. So we're probably idling at about 1,000 RPMs right now. There you go. Enjoy.